Welcome to your business logo tutorial. I'm just going to show you how to take the logo that was created and add it to another page so you can put it anywhere on the templates that you purchase. So in this one I gave you two, so all you're going to do is just click on it and then just click copy, back click copy, and then go to whatever page. You can go to a new Canva template. It doesn't have to be on the same one, and just click paste and it will input it. Let me give you another example. I'm just going to click on this one that I created. And I already have the logo on here, but I'll just paste it in here so that you can see that you can just paste the logo wherever you want. And so I'm just going to back click and click paste. And there it is. It popped it right back in. And then you can size it, resize it. It won't change it's all grouped together so it will stay the right dimensions. So I hope that you can use this logo wherever you like on your templates.